Hi guys, this is fitness trainer Khadija K and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to answer that question that I keep getting asked, and that is, why am I losing weight slower than my friend who is following the exact same plan as I? Now, there are many factors that influence this. You have to take your individual physiological differences into account, so your age, your gender, metabolic rate, as well as the type of work you do throughout the day, or if you are just sitting a lot or moving around, things like that. But I always feel the underlying cause is definitely diet and exercise. Now, I'm going to illustrate this in the next slide because I often get this question, and when I am doing my challenges and my diet plans with my clients who also train with me, I often show them the little differences it makes, especially when you are going to have a cheat meal that's 1,000 calories more than the next person. So you may be following something brilliant the whole week, but come Sunday you indulge in this really huge cheat, and after 2 months you're comparing yourself to someone else who actually didn't. The other factor could definitely be your work. If you are working in an environment where you're sitting the whole day as opposed to someone who's moving around or lifting objects, it does make a huge difference. But with that being said, the underlying cause, if you're looking at a difference of like 5 and 10 kilograms, is definitely diet and exercise related. It's not because you are 5 years older or anything of that sort. I'm going to show you in this next example what I'm talking about.
Meet Fatima and her roommate Iman. Both girls are from Pretoria, South Africa, and have decided to embark on a fitness journey. The friends decided to follow exactly the same eating plan. Since they live together, the cooking is done once and it's much easier, and they train together 5 times a week via online training. Iman has dinner with friends every Sunday night and indulges in a Big Mac and fries every Sunday night. Fatima, on the other hand, chooses a much healthier once a week cheat meal, and she has Nando's. Fatima works in a hospital and spends most of the day on her feet. Iman works in an office and she spends all day sitting. She hardly moves from her office. After 2 months, Fatima has lost 5 kilograms and Iman 2 kilograms. There are many factors that influence weight loss, even if you follow the same eating plan. Whether or not you have a cheat meal and what that cheat meal consists of. Your lifestyle, do you have a sedentary job? Do you sit the whole day? Or do you move around a lot? Your genetics, your sleeping patterns, and your metabolism all play a part.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give my video a like, and I will see you at the next video.